Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start the video. Map scan completed and 2 ports are open. Let's check port 80. Domain name header. Let's add in our machine host so that we can access and enumerate other subdomain if exists. Now we will check the burp suite request. We found a domain. Now we will add it in our machine host. Let's fuzz the files and directories of the domain.
Final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
We found the Git file. Let's dump it with Git dumper. We got a file mac.php which includes some useful stuff. Let's check on Google Baba.
I was going to write you a letter. When I turned the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up, was drugged up. I lucked out 'cause I believed in all those lies. That you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, I feel so, I made this void, now you don't look back. And it's got me like, I feel so, let's let you
We got a new domain and credentials. Let's go. We have to access it by header to bypass this. Let's enumerate the files, and we got user flag. Let's find other things in system to get remote execution. Now, we will get our Linux enumeration script. It skips some files. Let's check them and exploit them to get root flag.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Subscribe for more related videos. Thanks for watching.